this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today I am going to be doing some Easter egg nails with some SheModern products. I've already done 2 nails on this one. I have the neon orange with some sequins that I did a review on a while back. This nail I used stencil number 7 because it reminds me of an Easter egg, these lines do. They remind me of an Easter egg. So I did that on the index nail here and put a couple of gems. So I'm going to take those off and continue on with these. I'm going to put the glue gel on said nails and cure for 30 seconds. Oops. And then we are going to be putting some neon colors on said nails. I thought about using like the pastel shears, but they're just too sheer. And I didn't want to have to put on in layers, so with the neons I can get 1 coat coverage. And I'm going to pop this in for 30. If I can find the sensor, there we go. There we go. I'm still going to have to be using purple, green, and the blue of the neons. These are the new purple neon sparkling sheer color. They're light, they're pastelish, and that's what I'm trying to go for. I got the neon green and the blue neon. I think I'm going to be using a stencil on one more nail. Just not sure which nail yet. Decisions. Okay. We've got the thumb, the middle, and the ring. And I have to decide which one right now I'm going to put the stencil on. Ugh. I think it's going to be the purple nail, which will be the thumb. The thumb. Oh, it's not exactly how I want it laid. I want it diagonally, but I don't want... So I've used the glue gel, I've cured for 30 seconds, and that is what I'm using to hold the stencil down. Should get your silicone tool, spread this down, make sure it's secure. Get my palette back over here. Tap, tap, tap. And get my yellow and orange. Gotta have some of those colors in it too. And the orange tip. There we go. I am going to start at the tip. Work my way across. You probably should wipe off between each color. Brush. Now just slowly peel your stencil off. You don't want to rip the stencil. You don't want to pop the nail, which is what's going to happen to me here. And I have ripped the stencil before, so you do have to be careful. I'm going to pause because I want to put a color in between, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back. I have dug out the white glitter color. And I'm going to put that over the nail so it will fill in where the color is not. Your brush and brush it off just ever so lightly. I don't know if you can see that too well. I think it's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Let me see what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Gotta have a purple egg. Gotta have one. Have a girl. And we gotta have one. As you see, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need to overboard the nail. Flood it out. Burnish it in when you're done. Owie, owie, owie. I am going to put... Where's my brush? Brush this off ever so slightly. I'm going to use the glue gel. I don't know if I'm going to put sequins on this nail or little gems. Let me think. Oh, it could be dangerous, right? But I'm going to use the glue gel to adhere them to the nail. I don't know what to do. Let me bring this over here so I can see where I'm at. Well, thought I had one. Where are my sequins at? These are the sequins I'm using. They're perfect for Easter. Perfect for Easter. If I can get them to pick up. Yeah, they're picking up alright and they're falling. Oh man. Colors I want to pick up aren't picking up. Oh. I think because I already have them on here. This will be my pretty Easter egg. Let me see here. I feel like there's too much light and you can't see. I'm going to pop this one in the lamp here real quick. And then this nail. Oops. I'm going to put some blue gel on. Cure this bad boy. Make sure you get your sides, get your sides, get your sides. Make sure you cover your whole entire nail. You don't want nothing left uncovered when you're using pigments. You don't want a bald spot. So these I'm curing for 30 because they will be put back in the lamp. What do you think so far? The next one will be blue. And I'll be putting some the little bitty stones there, the gems. Let me see if I can get them to twinkle for you. Probably not. We'll put those on there. And I'll be holding those on with some Beetles top coat. And it is called Top It Off. You can get the on Amazon for $8.99. You can get the base and the top coat. Great deal. Great deal. Put a little bit more here. You can spiral rub this however you want to do. Burnish it in. Rub-a-dub-dub. I was just checking the time. I don't need to put my hand in front of the camera. Get my top coat. This will be like my, what you call it? When it comes to my Fabergé egg, and that's not what I'm trying to go for. My speckled gem. Whoops. It tumbled over on me. Hope I'm in frame. Whoops. Whoopsie. What do you think? This is my little gemmed out egg. I know I have to top coat some. So let me do this, and then I will pop them all in for 60 seconds. Top coating only the sequin ones, not the gem ones. You do not top coat over your gems, or you will dull the sparkle. There. I'm gonna pop this in for 60, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back, fresh out of the lamp, as I say. Here are my SheModern Easter eggs. I hope you like it. I think they turned out really cute. We got two with the sequins. One that's striped, which I do really fancy this one the most right now. Hope you can see that real well. It's hard to tell on here. And we have our two gemmed ones. This one I like better. Looks like to me, I keep wanting to say a Fabergé egg. I don't know why. But I do. And I think I see a hair. Oh my goodness. I did. I pulled it out though. They're beautiful. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Don't forget to click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload usually 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday is my acrylic docu-series where I'm learning acrylics, and each week I do something just a little bit different. Saturday, as you see, is SheModern Saturday, where I use only SheModern products. Next week I'll have a new order in with some new products, and I cannot wait to try those out. And Thursdays, it's, I don't know, fly by the seat of your pants kind of day. There's no telling. I could be doing a review, I could be doing nail art. It's hard to say. Well, I thank you for being here. I thank you for your support, your kind words. And I thank you for being here along my journey. I have recently hit 800 subscribers, and I am just so happy. That means my 800 sub giveaway has ended. Later today, I will be announcing the 3 winners. Each one will receive a SheModern gift card usable for anything on the website. Not just decals. You could get the pigments. They've got new all different kinds of mixes and everything on the website. You can buy stencils, you could buy glitter, you could buy anything you want. So I'll be having that video up a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. And until then, have a blessed day.